Businesses have many options today for internet access, but most business owners really do not understand or appreciate that there are differences. Internet access is key for business. If the internet performs poorly or worse, becomes unavailable, how much havoc does that create? The slightest interruptions can be very costly. Let me tell you why I believe Natural Wireless is a technical standout. Their offerings are designed to exceed business expectations with unique network features that deliver a high level of reliability and quality. It starts with their carrier-grade network that they own and operate. It has a robust, redundant design and uses the latest microsecond networking technology, and we found this to deliver superior speeds with lower latency, which is ideal for cloud-based services and real-time applications such as voice over IP and video conferencing. These are also unique in that each business is connected not just with one, but with two active connections that they call dual connected. Dual connections combined with auto failover allows traffic to be immediately rerouted in the event of a path failure. This provides businesses with higher levels of reliability and ensures that businesses remain connected. In areas dense like New York City, where most connections are delivered underground, we found that Natural Wireless is immune from those in-ground disruptions caused by fires in the manhole and fiber cuts and flooding. Their above-ground network allows businesses to stay connected during the most severe in-ground disasters. We like Natural Wireless services because it provides customers with a dedicated internet connection, excellent bandwidth options, and service level agreements that guarantee low latency and reliability. Reach out to us today so that you can find out how this robust and powerful network can help benefit your customers.